They went to Capernaum, and when the Sabbath came, Jesus went to the synagogue and began to teach. The people were amazed at his teaching, because he taught them as one who had authority, not as the teachers of the law. Just then, a man in their synagogue who was possessed by an evil spirit cried out,
What do you want with us, Jesus of Nazareth? Have you come to destroy us? I know who you are, the Holy One of God.
Be quiet. Come out of him. The evil spirit shook the man violently and came out of him with a shriek. The people were all so amazed that they asked each other,
What is this? A new teaching and with authority.
He even gives orders to evil spirits, and they obey him.
News about him spread quickly over the whole region of Galilee.